Great Expectations and Kent. Rochester. Rochester is a historic city in Kent, near London. It has a very old cathedral and a Norman castle. The castle is almost 1,000 years old. Dickens was in Rochester a lot. His house, Gad's Hill Place, is near Rochester. There is a Dickens Museum in Rochester and a Dickens Festival every summer and every Christmas. Great Expectations takes place in Kent and London. Joe's Forge is near Rochester. The coach to London goes from Rochester. There is a house in Rochester called Restoration House. Dickens describes this house when he tells us about Satis House, where Miss Havisham lives. Near Rochester, on the marshes, there is the village of Cooling. It has a churchyard with a lot of graves. At the beginning of the story, Pip meets the prisoner in this churchyard. The churchyard is near Gad's Hill Place, but Dickens is not here. His body is in Westminster Abbey in London, in Poets' Corner. This is a special part of the Abbey for famous writers. There is another village called Chalk. Here you can see a forge. Dickens was in Chalk for his honeymoon. Perhaps this is Joe's forge. Blacksmiths are very important in Victorian times. Horses are the main method of transport. Everyone needs horseshoes. People also need metal for other things. Do you know what is the most common English surname? It's Smith. Someone who works with metal. Joe Gargery is poor, but he is very important. If you visit Rochester, you can also see Uncle Pumblechook's shop in the High Street. You can see the inn where there were the coaches for London. The mouth of the Thames is near Rochester. There is a great area of marshes, but the prison ships are not here now. There are no blacksmiths. People don't travel to London by coach and horses. Everything is very different in the 21st century.